Okay, so for number 37, we have a cylinder tank, right? And it is 8 feet tall and has a diameter on the base of 6 feet. First things first, they ask, how much water can you fit in this thing? So, a volume. What's the volume of this cylinder?
Equals pi times r squared times height.
Okay, so I'm liking this thought. So we're going to think pi r squared h.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm down with pi. I know what that is. What's the radius? Radius is 3. So r squared is 9. And then the height is 8. Okay, good. A was easy. B. So that's the total volume, right? And then they ask for how much water is in the tank if the water is 5 feet deep. So that's, okay, it's filled to here. Right? This is 5 feet.
Same thing with 5. So
Just replace the height with 5.
Same thing with 5. Okay, so I'm going to call that water at 5. Right? And that's going to be pi times 9 times 5. So really what I'm doing here, right? What am I thinking about? Thinking about W as a function of,
5.
yeah, of, well, I already used height for something else. So it's water. Water is deep, I guess. Right, I'm just thinking of a letter I haven't used for something else already, right? Because I already said H was 8, right? Because it was the height of the tank. So now I'm just going to say, okay, this is W as a function of depth, right? And that's going to be 9 pi times D. And I'm guessing that's actually what they asked for in C, right? So C says, write a formula. Hey, they use depth. Yes. So this is the answer for C. Cool. Questions, things? Where were you stuck?
I just like found the pi r squared formula.
Ah,
Because I took pre-cal junior year of high school, so it's been 2 years.
it's been a couple of years and there's cobwebs in there.
So I forgot all the formulas, so I just went on.
Yeah, no worries. Don't be afraid to Google them. Right, like, if you forget the formula for a cylinder, just Google the word cylinder. It'll be in there somewhere.
Will
Cool?
that be given to you pretty much at this point now? Like, that, like something that easy with like the formula of the cylinder? Or,
So I personally would kind of expect you to know this off the top of your head. But if it's a test and you don't know it, raise your hand and ask. I'll tell you. I don't really care that much.
The only trouble I've really had with those ones is mixing up 2 pi r and pi r squared. Those are the only one. I mix those
There's-
up all the time.
There's a good reason for that. And one of them is the volume of the tank.
Yeah.
And the other one is the surface area of the tank. Really, it's not. It doesn't include the top and the bottom.
Yeah. I just mix them up all the time.
Cool.